In 2025, the demand for online jobs is higher than ever, offering flexible and high-paying opportunities for anyone with the right skills. If you're looking to make money online, consider remote jobs like prompt engineering, where companies pay top dollar for creative problem-solving, or freelance digital marketing, helping brands grow through social media and SEO. Web development and app creation continue to be in demand, with coding bootcamps making it easier than ever to get started. Virtual assistants and remote customer support roles are also thriving, requiring minimal experience but offering competitive pay. Content creation, whether through YouTube, blogging, or TikTok, remains a profitable venture for those who can build an audience. Additionally, online tutoring and e-learning platforms are booming, allowing experts to teach subjects from languages to coding. With the rise of blockchain and crypto, opportunities in NFT creation and decentralized finance consulting are also on the rise. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these online jobs provide endless possibilities for financial freedom in 2025.